What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Coyote ZR2. Today we got some cool news. I'm officially sponsored by a company called Lasfit. They sell basically lights. They even sell floor mats, portable tire inflators, compressors, ditch lights, light bars, all that kind of stuff. But I'm happy, they sent me out these, which are LED blinker lights, basically. You can see here, I got one of the stock ones. I did put one in yesterday to get some filming done. But yeah, these are super bright. They're much brighter than the stocks, I can tell you that right now. And I'll show some B-roll, or I'll show some B-roll, some before and after, and so you guys can kind of see a comparison of all that. But other than that, definitely check out these guys. I will have a link below in the description of where to find this, the site. I'll probably even show like a layout of the site on this video. And then also, if you use code Coyote ZR2 at checkout, you're saved 20%. So that's pretty badass. But let's just hop right into it. I'll show you guys how easy these are to install, and then I'll show you guys some before and after, and then we'll talk about Lasfit a little bit more. So let's go out to the truck, pop the hood, and we'll put the other one in. I'll show you guys how easy. Alrighty, so once you have the hood popped open, for the Chevy Colorados, and I believe the Canyon probably very similar, your blinker bulbs right there. Your blinker bulbs are right there. That's the driver's side one, and then that's the passenger side one. And then to remove these, you simply just rotate it towards you. And pull it back out, and boom. So that's the stock one. That's what comes with it. And then this is Lasfit's blinker bulb. See, there's LEDs all the way around it, and this is as simple as just take the old one. So I'm doing all this one-handed. Just slide that out, and then you take the new one. Pop it in, it will be seated. And then you take this, shove it back in the hole. Take this, shove it back in the hole, rotate it, and then you're done, and your blinkers are in. So this is with both of the Lasfit bulbs in. So yeah, they're super bright, they're super easy install, like the easiest thing you could possibly do. If you do put it in and they don't turn on, simply unplug it, rotate it, because it only goes in one or two ways. Shove it back in, and it should just work just fine. They are great to respond. You can email them, and also I believe all their products come with a 1-year warranty. So if you have any issues, anything like that, they're more likely to send you out a new one. No questions asked, hopefully. But yeah, so Lasfit's officially sponsored. They're sponsoring me, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited to see what else they have out there. They do have like floor mats and other stuff like I was talking about. They have some rock lights I'm really interested in hopefully getting sent to me to show review and install process for that. Yeah, but they're definitely a lot brighter than stock, as you can see for the footage before this. But other than that, I say do it if you're looking for, you got some money burning a hole in your pocket, looking for something cheap and cool to do. And I don't know if the lower trims come with LEDs already, because mine didn't, at least for these, for the blinkers. But these compared to the new ones, the Lasfit, I'm like, yeah, they're definitely brighter, a lot better. Anyone curious, this is the product number for the blinker bulbs, the LED ones from Lasfit. I believe it's the same thing for Chevy, all the trim models of the Chevy Colorados and as well as the Canyons. And then I will also show right here how easy it is to navigate their website and find exactly what you're looking for.
All right, so if you open up their website here, it's as simple as just coming to the top here and you can select your make. So I would click on Chevy, my model is a Colorado, let's look for Colorado, year, so 2024. You could do off or LED bulbs, click off-road to see what they have, all trims, and LED rock lights. And boom, it's easy as that. Or if you wanted to do LED bulbs, click your trims, mine's a ZR2, and then you have all these things to choose from: third brake light, backup light, cargo light, dome lights, front side marker, front turn signal, license plate light, map light. So yeah, it's very intuitive, very easy. So front turn signal lights, search, and boom. That's pretty much what I put in my truck. But yeah, if you use code Coyote ZR2 and check out, you'll save 20% on that. So hope this helps.
But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Check out Lasfit. Links in the description below, as well as, like I said earlier, use code Coyote ZR2. You get 20% off all their products. But yeah, hope you guys all have a good day, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.